Now do it. Okay, you start with this. You see the star? You start there. And then, do you remember what comes after A?
B.
B. Okay.
B.
And you draw a line to B.
B.
Now what comes after B?
C.
Okay. You trace a line over to C. What's after C?
D.
And then you cross a line over to D. What's after D?
E.
And you draw a line toward E. What's
G.
after E?
G.
F.
F.
Nani, that's a
You
good
draw a line
teaching.
to F.
How about
What's
Y?
after F?
G.
And you draw a line toward G.
Good
What's
job,
after
guys.
G?
H.
And then you draw a line toward